Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. I'm just gonna jump straight into it. Today's video is different. Let me just get that out of the way. I know by now most of want to see the video where Jason posts on his YouTube channel with the whole back and forth with me and him. And if you should ask me, it just should have reached right here. So it should have reached the point where me have to come take up the camera and I explain why me say what me say, and it just should have reached here. So I just feel like this is a conversation what me and Jason could have, and nobody never knows how we have the conversation. We come to an agreement and that's it. It's done. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I suggest that you pause my video, watch the video, and come back just to get a better understanding of what I'm saying and why I feel how I feel. So Jason did a prank on me, and I think the prank was inappropriate. It just never sit well with me. I didn't like the prank. Now go around the corner with him. I never liked the prank. And the figure said no, so me did feel away because I didn't say anything to him. I went silent. I didn't say anything at all. When we came home, I said to him, and I didn't argue and I didn't shout. I said to him, babe, the video that you did today, I didn't like it. I think it's inappropriate and it not sit well with me. Please, I'm asking if you could remove the video. Me not know if I had to remove, and me tell him to remove the video, but he got so upset. And he must say, baby, I'll be unreasonable right now. This is what we do. I'm now remove the video. So me I say, how am I being unreasonable? Unreasonable is a very strong word to use, because if you do something what me not like, and you may go come tell you, say, baby, no, say, me never did like it, and this is the reason why me never did like it. You not tell me something unreasonable, because me not go complain to nobody else, and you may go come tell. And me and you in our relationship, me now go tell my friend, me now go whisper and tell my friend, and me now go tell my mother, me go come to you and make you know, say, babe, you know, say, me never did feel good, but whatever. How am I being unreasonable? I know this is what we do, but at the same time, me I voice my opinion, me I make you know, say, babe, me not like something. If I did Jason come to me in such a manner, me could have never look on Jason and tell him, say, I'm unreasonable. Even though him did make up his mind, say, non-delete him video, at least we could have talked it out. It's just the answer when give me like, oh, you're unreasonable. Like the reason that I gave him to remove the video, it's not enough. It's not valid. That's not a good reason for him not to delete it. I'm unreasonable, and this is what we do, and why me want him to delete it. And I said it. It's inappropriate. I don't like it. It never done right there. So Jason got up, he took up his camera, and that now made me get even angrier. Because you're telling me that we can't have a conversation without you go pick up the camera. This is not me in no way, shape or form telling Jason say him to hide stuff from him supporters, or him not to tell him supporters like what take place. No. But if I wanted it to end up like this, me could have go sit down around my camera and say, guys, me never like the video that what Jason do, No, but we don't have that type of relationship. We don't have that type of relationship. So me coming to you and I voice my opinion about something that I don't like, it should have never reached there. So even though you feel away, so me tell yourself to remove the video, it should have never be say, you tell me something unreasonable and you have camera in my face. No. This could have been a conversation we could have when nobody don't know about it. We could have the conversation, come to an agreement, and that's it. It's done. Even if me did still go up in my feelings. But you don't tell me something unreasonable. Like what I'm saying, it like when me I say it no count. That's not enough reason for me not to like the video. Me can't just say, babe, me never like it. It was inappropriate. I can't just say that. And no, I feel bad because me I look on it and me I say, whoa. Me know so this is what we do, but at the same time, that should have never be thrown in my face because me a voice an opinion. Because me I say me not like something. It should have never end up like that. It should have never be that. It should have never be say you go take up camera. It should have just never be that. I asked for the video to be removed. That's all I asked for. You asked me why? Because it was inappropriate. Is it not valid enough? Of course, me know that we live in a prank world. But if me come to you one away and I say, babe, me never like the video now. And a matter of fact, I didn't even argue. I didn't even shout. But just make him know, say, babe, me never like the video now. It's inappropriate. And me ask if you can remove it. Alright, so even if I feel a way, so I tell her to remove the video, that give her right for just push camera up in my face. And guys, me not wanting to feel like me I said Jason, nothing make you be aware of stuff, because when I did that with we from the get-go, but at the same time, we can't have a conversation. Me and you could talk it out, we could resolve it from there. No, me just so disappointed, say, I saw it turn out. It never have to be like that. This could have been one conversation we will have, and it done pass and gone. Nobody not even did have to know, say. I mean, it could have shown in the video I wasn't pleased. It could have shown in the video. So let me get that clear. It could have shown in the video say I wasn't pleased. But at the same time, this could have been a conversation with me and Jason have, and nobody knows I will have the conversation. Regardless of him not remove him video, it just could have been one conversation we will have, and nobody knows I will have the conversation. It just shouldn't be like this. It just shouldn't be like this. I think it's unfair. It shouldn't be say me talk about something I not like and it end up like this. It shouldn't be that. I just think it's unfair. When it comes down to Jason, I'm so understanding. And not even with Jason alone. I'm like that with every situation. I'm not going to come here come act like, oh, I'm always right. No, I'm not always right. But at the same time, even if Jason did turn to me and say, babe, I don't appreciate the fact that you tell me to remove my video. I could have take that. But when you go tell me something unreasonable and this is what we do and you now remove your video, and then you go put camera in my face, like, what are you trying to prove? What me say is still going to remain. I'm not going to change what me say. Me ask you to remove the video. This is not the type of relationship where me and Jason have, so I don't get it. We could have come to an agreement, and even if we never come to no agreement at all, because how me feel about a situation and how Jason go feel about a situation, and how Jason feel about a situation and how me go feel about a situation, and the fact that I never argue with you and I never come in and shout at you, I come and just tell you, say, babe, I never like the video now. I think it's inappropriate and I ask you to remove it. But now I have to come and I have to make a video about what I say, what I say, and how I feel when it could have been resolved. When nobody never have to know about this. I said what I said, I'm not going to change it. I didn't like it, it's inappropriate, and I'm asking you to remove it. And a matter of fact, I am not perfect. I'm not going to ever paint a picture to tell nobody that I'm perfect. Because I can tell you that if me never tell Jason how I feel, it would have show up on my face. Because anyhow I feel inside, it show right on my face. I would have come in, I would have grumpy, I would have not talk to him, I would have in my feelings, and that not good. That not good for the relationship, none at all. They made the rules that we set in our relationship. Whenever you feel a way about something, just be honest, just talk up, don't battle it up. So how when you come on to situations like this, the rule them no bother count, them no bother make sense. I spoke about it, it never sit well with me. What me do wrong? Because I asked you to remove it. That is not a bad thing. And don't make me reason for ask you to remove it. Don't make it look like it's not valid. It's more than valid. That's how I feel. If you did feel a way about a certain situation, I could tell you enough to feel how you feel. I could do that none at all. Would I have to have an understanding towards the situation, regardless if we're going to see eye to eye or not. And I know all the while we're going to see eye to eye. But you know what? It's okay. Because you say if I never talk about it, you know what that happened? I would have grumpy, my face would have make up every day, and then guess what? Vibes would have broke. My vibes broke, your vibes broke. Yeah, and that would have happened. I don't have nothing more to say about this situation. I'm done with it. Bye guys.